Wahala be like bicycle. Hey, I hear say one police officer don't shoot him girlfriend for breast. Say because of waiting, this girl talk say he no go marry am. And na because of that one, I make this man shoot. I beg. Since when they make marriage by force by fire? Because I no know say now by force for person to date person. Based on wetin I hear, this officer name na Officer Bishop Eno. And say him and this girl, they don dey date, no be today. 5 years, 9 of them don dey date. Only for this lady now to come realize say this officer don marry. And to even worse the whole thing, this man don get pikin for somewhere. So all this why this man just dey lie to her, dey deceive her, say him na single man. Now wetin make this girl gree say him go marry this man? And as this girl hear this one, out of pain, na there she cut this relationship. Say she no dey do again, say she no dey marry again. Say why be say man wey be say she wan marry? The man go start with so many lies. How much more other things wey be say he don lie about? And there this girl stop everything, say she no dey marry again. I no know say this whole calling off of the marriage and wetin vex this officer. This man come talk say okay fine and good. If the girl no say no go marry am, every money wey be say he don spend on am, make he pay am back. Any man wey be say he don spend money on woman, come dey ask for it. I dey always see those kind of men as foolish men. Wey be say you sef you don gain from the whole relationship, but now na your own side you come dey reason. Say every money, everything wey you don buy for her, make him give you the money back. Fine and good, the girl sef accept. So okay fine, she go gather the money give am. Because I hear say this officer open shop for the girl and him claim say na 1.5 million na him use to open the shop. The girl sit down with her family, talk say okay fine, they go gather that money, pay this man. But as the officer see and say, it be like saying don't they lose. Now then carry him gun, office gun, carry and take go shoot this girl. And they see the heart of wicked people. You don't even pity this guy, say you love this girl, you just go kill her just like that. But me first, I need them to ask this man a question. I beg when you foresee 1.5 million. Because all of us know say police people, you know they pass 30-something thousand naira. Now they pay them a salary. And you get responsibilities, you get picky. In fact, you get groom 2 wives because you get first wife, you get second wife. So are they very certain say that 30-something thousand, you know, go reach you. So where you foresee money, so there you can't see 1.5 million. If they very certain say you'll be corrupt officer. All those officers will be say they go just they extort people of money. I sure now waiting this guy be. But I hear say now this guy don't run. On I must find him. If he like making run enter hellfire, make him go bring him come back, make him confess in judgment. Because you know go just keep person. And with the looks of this guy be one really killer. Because for you to shoot person for a breast, it like saying one shooter for a heart so that the guy go die. It just be say God join this girl side and wait to make this girl no die. Now you one day they walk out freely. After which you don't cause this kind of damage. But I don't know how some people love they even do. Now you hurt the person. Wait, go even at least judge beg her, maybe the girl feel even grease. Okay, you and your wife no day ago if you love her rich like that. You not think all those one. The next thing now what? As you be saying you get gone now. You won't carry everything personal. Now you carry and go take shooter. I see they wait as they go take catch. I hope say they will give you the punishment where you deserve. And me, I go make sure say I follow up on this case. Any judgment, anywhere where they catch this man from, I will still come outside, can't tell now how everything will go. Anyways, my people, now here I will take break on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story. This matter will carry comment about the ex-housemate Omoshola, the BB Naija housemate, where all of us see in video. Where be all of us they shout say it be like say this guy don't dey mad or it be like say something don't dey work. Now this guy don't come outside. They claim say yes, in they go through some issues, but say no be saying craze. Say yes, in don't they try to do himself today better because I know say as people see and people they worry, it's okay, make him find person go see. Say yes, nothing wrong when just they apologize to people. Say make people forgive and say because him pour out in mind, if no be saying right about depression, nobody go know say something they worry him. So make na beg, just forgive him. My people, make na join me watch.
Sorry guys, apologize for making everybody get frightening. I didn't mean to like drop my emotion there, but it's something that I literally almost go through almost every year. But this time was just different. You know, after my baby, I just had to sit down and think my life and everything I've been through and where I'm coming from and where I am right now. It was too much. This time it was too much. This one really got to me and I couldn't take it no more. I'm good. I'm strong. I know I'm favored. I'm happy. I'm blessed. But at the same time, it's only the clown know what is feeling under the mask. I'm a happy guy.
You're a happy guy.
So it's just what it is. Thanks, guys. I saw your calls and everybody calls. I couldn't pick anybody calls because at the end of the day, it's it's just me. You understand? Whatever I go through is just me. I wanted to be like, I wanted to just like, take my time out and like figure out myself. Like take my time out and really figure out myself and like, what am I really doing? I'm doing all, but yeah, personally, I'm doing so much for everybody. Feel myself like I need to figure myself out. So that was what I was just doing. I didn't mean to scare anybody or whatever. The video Ike posted, I wasn't really too happy with it, but I saw the video. But at the same time, it was a shoot for my music video, which is supposed to release anytime soon. So yeah, I was here when we shot the shoot, so I believe he has a clip of it. Ike just like to have fun, so I'm not mad at him.
Oh, I haven't even seen that. I haven't even seen that myself.
He's still on his page, so I'm not mad at him, Ike. So it's just what it is.
So we don't really hear you. But Oga, me, I need to ask you one question. You dey really fine? Because not be about shining teeth. Because this one episode they ask you question, you dey shine teeth like goat wey dey on top of fire. Not be about that one. No. If you know say something they really happen to you, come outside, come talk am. But this guy now they claim say the video we see, they just link her to him being depressed. Say nothing they worry. Say that video now when he do and say he won't do music video. I don't even know say you don't they sing. So I don't know how this whole thing just they try to correlate now. But anyway, I don't look this whole thing. I found the reason I say maybe now this guy even pay him friend. Say maybe they do this one to become famous because now say everybody don't even forget about Moshola. Maybe he can reason say okay, if he post himself or he go trend small, now why he can't do this one? All this whole false alarm will be seen and they do it. To me, it don't they vex me, it don't they frustrate me. It be like saying now everybody want on to your breathing. And I go come outside, they do things so that fans go react. Why? Now so now they make na money. Now so shatta do it own, they carry and go praise. Just because Nigeria will never put the law. Say anybody will go post nonsense, they will carry and arrest her. But anyway, me I don't look am fine and good. If you say this one a mistake, say nothing they really do you, fine, we don't hear you. But if you know say you dey truly sick, you know just won't come outside on social media, you better go find therapy. Go find person who say you go follow talk, make they treat you. Because now so madness they start. Small. Today you post, you be like mad person. Tomorrow you post, you be like fine person. Now so they start small. So you go good now, make you go find person who go help you, doctor who go help you before this whole thing will get out of hands. Anyways, my people, now here I will end up on this matter. You can stay tuned for our next story.